just begin the process of going within. Folks, there's no right or wrong way to do this. For some, it helps to close your eyes. If it helps, great, close your eyes. If not, and it's just a soft, gentle gaze, awesome. We're just going to go into silence for a few seconds and go within. Just set an intention. Yeah, I'm going to spend a few moments now going within. This is my time. So for some, it's really helpful, and if you want to, take a deep breath in and let it go. Take another deep breath in and let it go. Start letting go of everything. All that's got to happen afterwards, what happened in the past week, we just let it go. And we really focus on coming into this present moment. Imagine, if you will, this beautiful white light coming down and surrounding you. And now surrounding all of us. And just imagine that this beautiful bubble of white light, this love of God, surrounds all of us and is holding all of us. As we go deeper into the relaxation, deeper into the relaxation, deeper into the relaxation. And as you start to feel more relaxed, I just want you to think about this thought, this idea of prosperity. And if you'd like to, I would love you to consider the possibility of giving yourself permission. I give myself permission to be prosperous. I give myself permission to live prosperous. I give myself permission to receive prosperity. It's okay if you're scared. It's okay if you don't understand how. It's okay if you can't see it. Just an inch. Give Spirit an inch to come in. To show you. To give you a way. Especially in those areas of your life where you're really, really hoping for prosperity. Maybe join me in the quiet affirmation of I'm open to the flow of good. I'm open to the flow of good. I open myself to receive now, God. I am open. I am open. I am open. And just imagine this light is now pouring over you. The blessings are coming down, and they're being gifted to you, not because what you've done or what you haven't done, it's because of who you are. I'm willing to receive, God. I am open and willing to receive. Let it come. Let it come. Let it come. And it's in this moment where we just are so grateful, and as we slowly begin the process of coming back to this room, just take a moment and thank Spirit. Thank your angels and your guides and anybody else who's here to support you. You are supported, even if you don't understand it. It's okay. Just say thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you.